Hey friends, it's Cal. And it's way too bright. Oh my goodness. Ah! We're gonna do this inside. Yeah, we're doing this in here. Jessica, that lawnmower said not today. Come on, hop up. Hey friends, it's Cal. And this is our 30-foot school bus we spent this past year building out to be our dream home on wheels. However, that is not the point. We are about to take you on a drive all the way across the country and back. So, let's roll. Oh, and while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're along for the ride. We still have plenty of miles left to cover. Okay, bye. Remember this? Absolute chaos. But with the bus eventually fixed, we officially hit the road, starting our journey west. I really hope west. First, we made our way down to Georgia, where we picked up two. And this is where we picked up two. Oh, shit, really hurt. And this is where we picked up two new kittens.
What's that?
Puddles and Moose. Oh, and then we made our way back up through Tennessee because of course we had to check out a Buc-ee's. A few more miles got us over to Kentucky. And this is where we explored some caves together. Learned a new word. We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
It was such a fun day. Then a quick pit stop led us over to Somehow we made it to Illinois. And a very quick pit stop in Illinois led us very quickly over to Missouri. The Gateway Arch was huge. Oh, and we had a quick unexpected stop. We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was no. Speaking of unexpected stops, South Dakota.
Dude, I just got a video of a bison taking a...
Because to head west, we went north. And again, somehow that landed us in South Dakota. However, not only did we have a beautiful drive, but we had another unexpected stop where we got to check out Mount Rushmore? I had no clue this was in South Dakota. Let me just say that the drive through South Dakota was absolutely incredible, but all that's kind of led us here. We're exploring Wyoming together. I have it all sorted into playlists down below. And I guess we can't really explore Wyoming together unless I go. So, one last thing before we do that. You're gonna want to buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Dun dun dun! So we made it to a pull-off. It looks like we're next to a river, and then there was a geyser, and there was something making smoke, looking steam a little bit more that way. Time to get ready to go have some more fun. My battery's gonna die.
Sitting and walking on his merry way.
He's got a bird on his back. There's more bison behind these trees over. Zoom out. Really? Ryder, hey, we have some bison that are trying to come say hi to the bus. If we're nice and quiet, they'll get real close.
You ready to go to the devil's? You know what I'm talking about.
Duh. I never know how to start these things. Hey friends, you guys rock. So, seriously, thank you so much for coming back each and every week to support this journey. It is literally a dream come true to be doing this, and it's really cool that you get to be a part of it. Thank you for all your love and support. It means the world to me. Alrighty, you know the drill. Don't forget to like this video. Maybe leave me a little comment or two down below letting me know how you're enjoying the journey so far. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're along for the ride and it helps me out too. Alrighty, I will see you guys down the road and every Sunday with a new video. Bye. Hey friends. Oh fuck. Oh my god. That lawnmower said not today. Come on, how about we are about to take you on a drive all the way across the country and back. So let's roll. First we made our way. What in the fuck is up with this here? This is a few more miles got us over to Kentucky, where we picked up two. Slow down. And this is where we picked up two. Oh shit, really hurt. And a very quick pit stop in Illinois led us very quickly over. Then a quick pit stop led us over to I guess I'll see you guys down the road. Cool. I'll be back next Sunday with a new video. Learned a new word.
You ready to go to the devil's gooch? You know what I'm talking about.